Guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove an object from a video Canva. So in here, you can start by adding videos that you want to edit. Then let's click on the share button and download and save this videos right here as GP or PDF or anything. Or you can also use a screenshot apps to capture the frame of here. Click on download, and after the image has been downloaded, just drag in the image or canvas. And now what you need to do, click on the edit image options and go to the magic eraser. Now you can adjust the brush here. You can just brush the items that you want to delete. For example, in here I'm going to this coffee cup of coffee, so just drag it or the brush itself is like pink shadow. Okay, after that you can click on the erase button and just wait until the magic eraser process is. If it's still not, you can do it again by brush itself just like this. You can click on the button again. Okay, so now you can just click on or go back, and in here what you need is crop the image so like this and cover it, cover the item, just see. After that you are done. So now the object is gone. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thank. Bye.